You are standing on the surface of a planet with a heart of fire. 6,000 kilometers beneath your feet, there is a ball of solid iron that is as hot as the surface of the sun. Around it, a swirling ocean of liquid metal creates a magnetic shield that protects you from deadly solar radiation. Without this invisible bubble, life on Earth would not exist. And yet, most people never think about what is happening deep below. Today, we are going to uncover 5 hidden secrets about the Earth's core that will change the way you look at the ground beneath you. Secret number 1. The Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. Deep beneath your feet, nearly 6,000 kilometers down, lies a solid ball of iron and nickel. The temperature there is about 5,200 degrees Celsius. That is 9,392 degrees Fahrenheit. The surface of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. So the center of our planet is almost exactly as hot as the surface of a star. How do we know this? We have never been there. The deepest humans have drilled is only about 12 kilometers. That is less than 0.2% of the way to the core. Instead, scientists measure the temperature by studying seismic waves from earthquakes and experiments with iron under extreme pressure in laboratories. They compress iron with diamond anvils and blast it with lasers. From those experiments, they can calculate the melting point of iron at the pressures found in the core. The result is astonishing: 5,200 degrees Celsius. Why does the core not melt? Because of pressure. The weight of the entire planet pressing down creates enormous force, over 3.6 million times atmospheric pressure. This pressure forces the iron atoms to stay locked in a solid crystal structure, even at extreme temperatures. If you could somehow bring a piece of the inner core to the surface, it would instantly vaporize. So we will never hold it in our hands. The heat in the core comes from 2 sources: leftover heat from the formation of Earth 4.5 billion years ago, and radioactive decay of elements like uranium and thorium. These elements release heat as they break down, keeping the core hot for billions of years. Secret number 2. The outer core is liquid metal, and it moves. Surrounding the solid inner core is a layer of liquid iron and nickel about 2,200 kilometers thick. This liquid metal is constantly moving. It swirls and flows due to convection currents caused by heat escaping from the inner core. Hot material rises from the inner core toward the mantle. As it cools, it sinks back down. This creates a continuous cycle. As the liquid metal moves, it creates electric currents. Those electric currents generate a magnetic field. This is called the geodynamo effect. The magnetic field extends far into space and creates a protective bubble around Earth called the magnetosphere. Without this magnetic field, the solar wind would strip away our atmosphere. That is exactly what happened to Mars. Mars once had a magnetic field, but it died billions of years ago when its core cooled and solidified. As a result, Mars lost most of its atmosphere and became the cold, dry desert we see today. The solar wind slowly erodes the atmosphere, and without a magnetic shield, there is nothing to stop it. Secret number 3. The magnetic field flips, and it is overdue. Earth's magnetic field is not stable. It has flipped many times throughout history. North becomes south, and south becomes north. These reversals happen randomly, averaging about once every 200,000 to 300,000 years. The last reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. So we are technically overdue. Scientists know this because of paleomagnetism. When lava cools, iron minerals align with the magnetic field at that time. By studying ancient lava flows, geologists can see when the poles reversed. During a reversal, the magnetic field weakens and becomes chaotic. Compasses would point to random directions. The field can take thousands of years to fully flip. During that time, the magnetosphere is weaker, which could allow more solar radiation to reach the surface. But do not panic. There is no evidence that past reversals caused mass extinctions, and the flip will probably take so long that you will not even notice it. However, the field has been weakening over the past 160 years by about 9%. Some scientists think a reversal might be starting, but we cannot predict exactly when. Secret number 4. The magnetic North Pole is moving and accelerating. If you follow a compass, it does not point to the true North Pole. It points to the magnetic North Pole, which is currently located in the Arctic Ocean. And it is moving. Over the past century, the magnetic North Pole has drifted from Canada toward Siberia at an accelerating pace. In the 1990s, it was moving about 15 kilometers per year. Today, it moves about 55 kilometers per year. Scientists do not fully understand why the acceleration is happening, but it may be related to changes in the flow of liquid iron in the outer core. The movement of the magnetic pole forces updates to navigation systems, including GPS. Every few years, the World Magnetic Model is updated to keep our maps accurate. Airports, ships, and even your smartphone rely on these updates. If you use a compass app, it is not pointing to true north. It is pointing to the magnetic north, which is constantly drifting. Secret number 5. The core is slowly cooling and Earth's rotation is slowing down. The Earth's core has been cooling for billions of years. As it cools, the inner core grows. The liquid outer core freezes onto the solid inner core at a rate of about 1 millimeter per year. That might sound slow, but over millions of years, it adds up. Eventually, billions of years from now, the entire core will become solid. When that happens, the geodynamo will stop. The magnetic field will disappear. Without the magnetosphere, the solar wind will slowly strip away our atmosphere. The oceans will evaporate. Earth will become a barren, airless world like Mars. But do not worry. This will not happen for at least 2 to 3 billion years. The sun will probably become a red giant and swallow the Earth before that, anyway. Meanwhile, Earth's rotation is also slowing down because of the moon's gravity. Every century, the day gets about 1.8 milliseconds longer. That might not sound like much, but over millions of years, it adds up. In the time of the dinosaurs, a day was only 23 hours long. In a few 100 million years, a day will be 25 hours long. The core and the moon are both shaping the length of your day. The Earth's core is a hidden world of extreme heat, liquid metal, and invisible forces. It protects us every single day. It moves beneath our feet without us ever feeling it. And it will continue to do so for billions of years. Next time you look down at the ground, remember, you are standing on a planet with a heart of fire. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Check out my Ko-Fi page for ebooks and more. And follow me on X at ScienceSnack for daily science facts. Thanks for watching. ScienceSnack out.